Good afternoon, Dr. Cortez. This is my video on how I did the exam. The first thing we need are the results. The results for this exam, for this halfway, is 15 million. We're gonna plug this in Solver in a minute. Next thing we need is the normal deviate. The normal deviate is minus 1.037 since it's a pavement with 85% reliability. We go here in table 11.15 for a pavement with reliability of 85%, we use minus 1.037. The standard deviation is gonna be 0.3. That's what he gave us for this exam. This is a structural number. It's gonna change with Solver. This number is 2.5 since it's a highway, interstate highway. It's a critical highway, so we use 2.5. For a not critical highway or pavement, we use 2.0. The modulus of the base is gonna be 5,000. The modulus of the sub base is 30,000. The modulus of the subgrade is 10,000. The coefficient for the pavement is gonna be 0.4. Normally, usually is 2.42 or 44, but we're gonna use 0.4. The other coefficients are given with these formulas that are already in the Excel. For the M2, for M3, I use 1.3. If we go here to table number 11.20, here it is. This pavement is in Phoenix. This highway is in Phoenix, and it have a good drainage for both layers. And we go here. It's a good drainage rating. And since it's Phoenix, it doesn't rain a lot or never rains. I decided to use less than 1%, and I go here. And 1.35. I use in between this number to don't go to the far extreme of this table. So I plot here 1.3, and that's it. That's all that we need here to calculate the thickness. First thing we need to do is go to Solver. Plug here 15 million. These are the SLs. Solve. And what it did, it gave us the structural number for SLs of 15 million. So copy this number, plug it in here, and round it up to 5.5. Next thing we have to do is copy the modulus of the subbase, paste it here, solve, and that gave us structural number for SN1. Copy, paste, and round it up to 2.89. Next, copy the structure number for the subgrade, paste it here, go to Solver, solve, and that's the structural number for S1 plus N2, SN2. Paste it here and round it up. And with these structural numbers, we can get SN2 by subtracting SN1 from SN1 plus SN2. That gave us SN2. For SN3, we have to subtract everything from SN1 and SN2 from the structural number. That gave us SM3, and with this we can get the thickness multiplying structural numbers by the coefficients by m, and that gave us the thickness. The thickness that I got here is 7.2, 8.2, 12.2, but the beatings that are in the exam, the most closed beating is the one that is 8 inches in the pavement, 10 inches in the subbase, the second layer, 10 inches. That gave us a structural number of 5.85 that goes above the structural number, the first one. That's good. We can do this more efficient, but this is the closest beating. The closest bit was for the exam. This is how I get the results. Thank you, Dr. Cortez. Have a good day.